If the algorithm is making you wonder if you have ADHD, here are 5 questions that you can ask yourself to help you get a little bit more clarity on if it might actually be a thing you want to look into more. I'm an ADHD coach, and I'm making this video because I think there's a lot of really cute, funny videos out there full of silly symptoms of ADHD, but let's talk about the real ones that you should be thinking about. Just to be clear, these are things that you can take and share with your doctor if you are seeking a diagnosis. Number 1, have your symptoms been since childhood? It is recognized that ADHD symptoms start before the age of 12 and as early as the age of 3. Number 2, does ADHD run in your family? While the exact cause of ADHD has not been identified, there is a strong hereditary component. 3, do your symptoms appear in multiple settings and all domains of your life? ADHD is not just having a hard time focusing in school or getting distracted by shiny objects. It's all encompassing, and people with ADHD struggle in their relationships, their personal care, home life, regulating their emotions. I could go on and on. It's every domain of your life. Number 4, what are your stress levels like? Sometimes trauma and stress can mimic ADHD symptoms. It's kind of a chicken and the egg question, but it's an important piece of information that you want to consider when you're looking at all this. And last, do you have a history of traumatic brain injury? I'm not going to go much into this one, but if you want more information about this, check out Daniel Amen. He discusses how sometimes people come into him for an ADHD diagnosis, and then he realizes they actually were in a really bad car accident, and that is where their symptoms are coming from. So there's some food for thought. Now I'm going to create 2 follow-up videos on this. 1 will be where can you go get tested? 2 will be how can you prepare for testing? So check my profile for those. If you're looking for additional support, I'm an ADHD coach. And if you're on a budget, I now offer $20 group coaching sessions. So check my link in my profile for that.